What do cognitive AI, metal 3D printing, and synthetic ear all have in common? They're early signals of something much bigger. A technological shift so deep, it's redefining how we work, heal, build, and even think. While most focus on surface-level tech trends, this video dives into 5 emerging technologies and startups redefining systems, materials, and biology, and rewriting the rules of the game. Let's start with intelligence. AI is evolving fast, but building smarter systems is only half the story. The real challenge? Making them reliable. That's where Parea startup comes in. Parea is a platform that helps teams confidently build and ship LLM-based applications. It handles everything from prompt testing and evaluation tracking to human feedback, dataset versioning, and production observability, all in one place. Parea is already trusted by fast-growing AI teams and Y Combinator-backed startups because it tackles one of the hardest problems in AI, accountability. Now let's shift from thinking machines to enhanced humans. Traditional hearing aids amplify everything. But what if your hearing tech could filter, focus, and adapt, like a second brain? That's exactly what US Immersive Hearing Technologies is doing. Their AI-powered system can isolate specific voices in noisy settings, cancel out background noise in real time, and eventually integrate directly with neural interfaces.
To my daughter's house last weekend. Yes, the one who lives nearby, who has 2 kids, my only 2 grandchildren. Noah is the older one, just entering high school.
By 2030, augmented hearing, vision, and even memory could be as mainstream as fitness trackers. Now, before we dive into nanotech, I'll introduce what might be the most comprehensive emerging technologies guide you'll find anywhere online. And I don't say that lightly. We've done all the groundwork so you can jump right into the top 10 emerging technologies, trends, real-world use cases, and much more. This guide is created using data from the Discovery platform, the largest innovation intelligence tool globally, tracking over 7 million startups and 20,000 technologies in real time. From quantum computing to AI, the guide covers it all. It's precise, actionable, and it's completely free. If you're building, investing, or just curious about where the world's headed next, this guide is your cheat sheet. For more, check out the link in the description below. If AI is the brain, robotics is the body. But physical environments are messy, especially in logistics and manufacturing. That's why Greek startup Progressive Robotics is making robots that don't just move, they understand. Their AI system, powered by the progressive brain, gives robots real-time scene awareness, object recognition, and collision-free path planning. Whether it's palletizing, depalletizing, or packaging, robots powered by progressive brain can adapt on the fly without complex programming or sequencing, and it's catching attention. Progressive Robotics recently raised $1.55 million in seed funding, led by Marathon Venture Capital with participation from Genesis Ventures. When we talk about nanotech, we often think about cutting-edge labs and high-tech materials. But Canadian startup Neptune Nano Technologies is flipping that script. Its technology turns discarded seafood shells into one of the most advanced sustainable materials on the planet. Their secret? Chitin nanocrystals, a biodegradable bio-based additive extracted from crustacean waste. With just a few percent chitin, you get paper that resists fire, packaging that blocks oil, water, and oxygen, and composts after use. No oil, no synthetics, just a natural nanotech that outperforms petroleum-based additives on their home turf. We're entering an era where everything, even surfaces, can become intelligent. And enter a Swiss startup A-Metal. The company is turning industrial-grade metal 3D printing into an agile, scalable solution, one that allows manufacturers to produce aerospace-level parts locally, on demand. Their system is compact, affordable, and safe, perfect for small and medium-sized businesses, labs, or workshops with limited space and no prior experience. With minimal contact with metal powders, simple step-by-step software, and a footprint that fits into existing facilities, A-Metal is opening the door to in-house metal manufacturing for everyone from dental labs to custom toolmakers. It's the difference between waiting 6 weeks for a shipment from overseas and printing exactly what you need, where you are, in hours. So, what ties it all together? We're building a world where intelligence is everywhere, in algorithms, in bodies, in machines, and even in materials. And if you want to stay ahead of it, don't stop here. Our complete Top 10 Emerging Technologies Guide gives you all the insights you need. It's built from the latest, most accurate innovation data out there with verified trends, real use cases, and powerful insights. And it's completely free. Find the link in the description below and download today.